Well, hey guys, today I'm putting in this little gas filler. It came with the gas tank. I just ordered it. It was a couple bucks on LMC, but it's got a nice shape. It fits in here really good. So if you're getting rid of your gas tank inside the cab, this is a great piece. I mean, I could probably make this thing in about 10 minutes, but yeah, it was like a $2 or something for this piece. So, but yeah, if this helps you, there's the number. I'm just gonna kind of lay this in here. See what's gonna fit the best. I'm gonna start tack welding it from this side and then bend this other side into place a little bit. I'm just slightly, just making it a little bit lower, not too much, just barely. Hit this from the back side a little bit.